What? Oh no, Mr. Bongbong Marcos. Are you okay? Ang reporter nagtanong regarding sa pagbaba ng survey sa Pulse Asia. Then ang sinagot nyo, bigas. Oh no, what happened to you? Mga ka-people, tingnan nyo yung sagot dito ni BBM. Ang layo, no? Reaction about Pulse Asia survey sa pagbaba ng kanyang survey, mga ka-people, no? Ang sinagot niya, bigas. Tingnan nyo, mga ka-people, kayo nang no? Baka sabihin fake news ako.
Hello. Good morning, sir. Can we get a reaction to the recent Pulse Asia survey that shows your lowered approval ratings? Thank you.
It's not surprising. People are having a hard time. Yung hirap na bigas ito eh. Ibang usapan pag bigas. It's different from anything else any other agricultural product. I completely understand it. And that's why we're working very, very hard to make sure that this comes up again. Not because of the survey. That's not important to me. It's important to me. What's important to me is that we make sure that people have enough to eat and that it is affordable to them.
Oh no! Mr. Bongbong Marcos, anong iba pag-usapan pag bigas? Ang pinag-uusapan hindi bigas. Ang pinag-uusapan yung pagbaba ng rate ninyo sa Pulse Asia survey. What happened to you? What happened to you, Mr. Bongbong Marcos? Ang hirap niya lang ipagtanggol. Hindi namin alam kung paano kayo ipagtanggol. Yun lang po, mga ka-people, at mapagpalang araw po sa inyo. Ay, naku, Siram, beauty ka sa'yo, BBM. Babay na nga. Sige na nga. Babay na.